What's going on, guys? Firewolf Tech here, showing you guys the iPhone 15 Pro in the natural titanium color. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you guys all around. Now, I picked this up in the 128 gigabytes, which I personally think is the best option if you utilize iCloud features. Let's go ahead and unbox this. There we have the iPhone 15 Pro in the natural titanium color, and I gotta say, it looks absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you guys think of this color. Let's go ahead and peel this out. So right out the box here, this 15 Pro definitely feels a lot lighter than my 14 Pro, so I'm definitely feeling the lightness of it. And honestly think this color looks absolutely fire. I mean, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. So inside the box here, we're gonna get a nice little USB-C to C cable here. I don't see any type of color matching here. It's just a standard white cable. You do get Type-C. And over here, you get some more little booklets here. And as for the sticker, you also get white, which I'm kind of a little bit disappointed. You would have thought that they would have at least color matched it, but I don't really care too much about the Apple stickers anyways. So let's take a closer look around the iPhone 15 Pro. You can see right on the bottom here, we have that USB Type-C opening over here, as well as a microphone and speaker grill as well. Here's the other side with the side button right over here. You can see that the titanium does kind of like retain some of the fingerprints / oils on here. And then you can see the action button and the volume rocker right over here. And you can see the triple camera system on the back. And what I like about this is that it's not as high as the other 14 Pro or even the 13 Pro. So I do like how slim that looks. It doesn't stick out that much. This is pretty awesome. So almost kind of lays almost flat, but still has a little bump there. But I do appreciate the camera is not being so large, because I was kind of concerned it was going to get even larger than the 14 Pro. So I'm really happy about that. Let's go ahead and power this on. All right, so this is going to be the welcome screen that you're going to see from the iPhone 15 Pro. Let's go ahead and swipe that up. You're going to automatically choose your default language. I'm going to choose English for me, and you're going to select your country or region. So right from the start, it does give us the option to change the appearance. It's going to be your quick start over here. Now automatically starts to look for nearby iPhones. So if you have any type of nearby iPhone or iPad, it will automatically show up information from your older device to this one. So we're going to set it up without that. Then to continue setup process, you want to make sure you connect to a Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to go ahead and choose one. All of this is going to be standard, so you want to hit continue. And then over here is going to give you the option to set up the iPhone for yourself. Or if you have a child younger than 12, then you can always set it up there so you can have parental control. But we're going to do this for myself. And this is where you would set up your Face ID. I'm going to set up later. And then you want to create an iPhone passcode. And if you ever want to switch it to 4 digits or have it alphanumerical, then you can also change it to wherever you want. But for now, I'm going to skip this completely. And then again, it does give you another option to transfer. Besides transferring from another iPhone, you can transfer from your Mac or PC, from an Android device, or even from your iCloud backup, which is probably going to be my preferred method of backup. But I'm going to go ahead and hit don't transfer anything because I want to set this up as a completely brand new phone. But let's go ahead and skip this step. I'm going to set this up later. And this is going to be the option to update your iPhone automatically. I'm going to hit continue. And then as for iMessage and FaceTime, I'm going to hit continue as well. I'm going to enable location services. And this is where you go ahead and set up your cellular. Now, if you have a carrier like AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, it should automatically pick up your cellular plan directly from your other iPhone, or you can use the QR code to scan a electronic SIM as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up later in the settings. And right over here, we have adjustments to Siri. I'm gonna set this up later. You have screen time, and then iPhone analytics, app analytics. And here you have the option to change your display, so you can do light or dark. And something that's new to this that I've noticed is that they also give the option to hit auto, which probably allows you to adjust the display, whether it's morning or night, or you could probably customize it to your lighting. So I'm just gonna keep it to light. And here we have the options for the silent mode or the action button right on the top left. So it says here you can toggle it on and off to check its status on the control center, probably because we don't have that dedicated button anymore. And here right off the bat we can customize the action button. So let's go ahead and hit customize. And right from the start you can just simply do the standard silent mode. You have focus, camera, flashlight, voice memo, magnifier, or you can create any other shortcuts that you like. We have more accessibility settings, or you can set it to no action. But for now, I guess I'll set it to flashlight. Then we have emergency SOS. And after that, your iPhone is fully set up. And here's the iPhone 15 Pro fully set up here. I'm gonna hit not now for now. So definitely is a beautiful display as well. See brightness all the way up. And since I set the action button for flashlight, I'm gonna go ahead and press and hold. You see the flashlight automatically turned on, and you can see the dynamic island automatically shows the flashlight on. I'm gonna go ahead and click it on again, and it tells us that it's off. So that's a pretty cool thing to do. Let's go ahead and click that again. So I like how seamless that is. It's very smooth, very fast. Let's go ahead and test out the screen here. That ProMotion display is absolutely beautiful. I mean, if you guys have never experienced 120 Hertz, then you'll definitely appreciate the smoothness of it. The actual screen itself feels really nice as well, but I also will recommend, again, definitely a screen protector. Now I understand it does have a tougher glass, but they always say that, and I always recommend protecting it. So I'll be making a lot of videos on a lot of accessories on the 15 Pro, so definitely stay tuned for that. But once again guys, this natural titanium looks absolutely fire. I'm in love with how this color looks. I mean, out of all the colors, I just wanted to try out something new, and I think they hit a home run with the natural titanium. So hey guys, out of my first impression, I definitely am impressed with the build quality of this 15 Pro. I think natural titanium makes it feel a little bit different and unique, and I am liking how light it feels in the hand. My 14 Pro felt very heavy, which made holding a 14 a lot better and easier to hold. But honestly, the 15 Pro definitely feels really nice in the hand, and it's not that, and it doesn't feel heavy or bulky at all. So I'm really impressed with that, and I think it's worth the upgrade, especially if you want something that's a lot lighter. And for me, the 15 Pro is definitely going to be the one that I'm going to use as my personal device because it fits really nice and comfortably in my hand. Me personally, I have smaller hands, so a 15 Pro fits really nice in the hand. It's very comfortable. Anytime I try to hold a max, it's just a little bit too much. I end up having to use two hands. But with the 15 Pro, a lot of the things are very accessible with just one hand. Make it a lot more comfortable for me to hold and basically go for my day-to-day tasks. So anyways guys, stay tuned for a lot of videos on the 15 Pro. And if you guys enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. And as always guys, thanks so much for watching.